Alright, it's been so long that I've ridden. Well, I rode a bike yesterday, but it's been very long since I've ridden quite some distance. Put on the seat. Alright, the bike has already been warmed up and thing. Get that checked out. Alright, so what we're doing now, we're basically going to the gas station, get some petrol, some petrolones, whatever it's called in Spanish, gasoline or something like that. Alright, head to the Templo gas. Feels so. Put this in neutral. Very cool shade. Keep that on a bit. My camera keeps freaking freezing up and shit, man. Don't know why my camera keeps freezing and taking this corner like a boss. Yeah, so as I was saying before the camera froze on me and shit, I was saying sometimes it's nice to just take it slow, you know? I'm just strolling through the place and I'm just taking it slow. And thing, yeah. Sometimes it doesn't need to go hard, man. When I'm coming back up, then I'll go hard and shit, bro. But for now, I'm just strolling. I got some eyes on me, man. They like what they see. Not me, of course. The bike. No man like me, dog. That's it. Woo! Downshifting the ditch like a boss. My 5 is 87. Yeah, wow. Yeah, so we just grab some. Yeah. I'm gonna get me to a little bit. This is too. I feel like right through Florence will come up. Enjoy the ride, you know? Woo! Down here in that shit. Cheers! Woo! Look through your corners, you know? Woo! Leaning through these corners like a boss, baby.
Bruh.
Just left, man! Dead!
I like his bike. I like him. Yeah, baby! Kinda bar! I got a little speed wobble on the hill there, bro.
You have arrived at your destination.
A little bit of speed wobbling. Shoot up on square like a ball.